today's video we are doing a multi-unboxing. First we're gonna unbox our ice cream beauty box, and then we're gonna jump over and unbox, which I'm really scared to unbox this. I mean, FedEx had a heyday with it. This is my American Influencer Beauty Bundle, or AIA Beauty Bundle box. Y'all, the things you're gonna see in this box are absolutely insane, because I did do a little sneaky peeky watching my girl Jargee's channel, and I was shook. Y'all, the amount of things that you're gonna get in both of these boxes, just buckle up. Anyways, if y'all are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we're always embracing that hot mess, because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox makeup, play with makeup, talk about makeup, do all the things, and just remember, it's just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. We love to keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Hopefully I will remember to tell you all what is on my face after the video. If not, I will try and remember to link it below for you all. So let's go ahead and start off with the ice cream beauty box. Now I feel like this is a subscription box that does not get enough love, okay? Because for everyone and anyone that I see complaining about other subscriptions, that all they're seeing is skincare, or all they're seeing is like hair care, I need more makeup, this is going to be the subscription box for you. Now this box, every single month you are guaranteed to receive an eyeshadow palette in here. Now as far as the price goes, this is $24. It is a monthly subscription, and I have heard that you are getting to customize these items. Now I'll be honest with you, both of these subscriptions were sent to me in PR. They were sent to me complimentary to unbox and review, give you all my thoughts and opinions on. So I did not customize anything in here, but there are, I know last month you were able to do a customization between two different palettes, and I don't know if that's something they're going to do every single month. So when we open it up, it's always well packaged. FedEx did not go crazy with it this month. We do have a little card in here letting us know what month this is for, and this is the June Summer Treats box. It does give you a list of the items in here as well as the retail value. Now starting off, the first item I see in here is the Flawless Silicone Blender by Mirabella. So this is what it looks like. Y'all can see back here. Oh, it's taped up. Now I have some of these already in my collection, so this is what it looks like. Now I'll be honest with y'all, I do not use them. I have them, but I'm still trying to master honestly how to use them. But it's supposed to be so you don't use as much product, foundation, concealer, what have you. And this does have a retail value of $7. The next item in here is by Kaylin. This is a triple highlighter palette, and it does have a retail value of $24. I still love the one highlighter palette we received, I think it was the beginning of the year. Ooh, this is nice type of case. It just says 0 exclamation mark triple. Ooh, how pretty is that? I don't know if my camera is probably washing it out, but that's really pretty. So there are 3 different shades in here, so you could swirl your brush around, or you could just go with individual colors. There is also a mirror in here as well. This is a very, very heavy makeup subscription, and I love it. Like, if you don't want anything but makeup, this is, and tools, this is going to be the box for you. Next in here I see, let's see here. Oh, we got a nice brush. So again, see, makeup tools. This again is by Kaylin, and this is, you know what, I'm sorry, this brush is $24, and this highlighter is actually $32. Oh, it's a dual-ended or double-ended brush. How nice is that? I feel like you could do like your blush or highlight with this one, and then like, you know, your concealer with the other side. That is really nice, and the brush feels good too. And I like that it's in like this little like travel zipper thing. Okay, moving on to our next item. This is by Pure Cosmetics, the Bronze and Beautiful Glow Kit. Wow, okay. This has a retail value of $28. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, so you could definitely do like bronzing over here. No, or blush. Oh, that is so pretty. I like that. It's so fun. Okay, yay. Okay, in a moment, we're all waiting for the palette of the month. This is the Spectra Gourmet Girls times Krista Rice makeup. I'm not for sure on that one. So this is what it looks like. It does have a retail value of $30. Oh, that's fun. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Okay, so see what I'm saying? If you are wanting a very makeup heavy type of subscription, Ice Cream Beauty Box is for you. Look at that. So that is really pretty. So that is everything in this box. Again, $24. And I'll have a link down below if you are interested in picking this box up. You looking for some makeup and tools? This is going to be the box for you for sure. And I know a lot of you all have said you've gone ahead and picked it up and you love knowing every single month you're going to be getting a palette. Okay, so let's go ahead and move over to the AIA Beauty Bundle. Now the nice thing about the AIA Beauty Bundle is it's never the same type of dealio. So for example, this is a bi-monthly subscription. It's $34. I do believe I have a coupon code down below so you can save 10% off your first box. Now some months we've seen nothing but all hair care products, which made me fall in love with Guy Tang. I to this day still use Guy Tang products. Absolutely love Guy Tang. We've seen, I think it was it Purelle's? So many. We had Lala's brand, like so many different brands. Now again, I'm pretty scared to open this because this has been through it, so we shall see. Keep in mind, bi-monthly subscription, it is only $34, and everything in this month's box is all from Pharmacy. I've told y'all, well, okay, for example, sitting literally right here, the Pharmacy Cheer Up Under Eye. Love the Pharmacy products. So the first thing that I'm seeing right here on top for $12, we have the Pharmacy Hydrating Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. Now I love sheet masks. I think they're great like all year round. If you want, put them in your fridge so they're nice and cool for the summertime. This is $12. It's the supercharged to deliver intense moisture with coconut water. These face masks promote a fresh, more radiant, healthy looking glow in just 15 minutes. Mask is formulated with anti-aging hyaluronic acid and natural cucumber extract to soothe dry skin. I love that. Okay, so next up we have the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. These are full-size products. Again, for $34. Now this particular product is $28. It's a soap-free, oil-free, pH-balanced foaming face cleanser that cleans pores and draws out dirt, oil, and impurities without overstripping. Okay, so for what you're paying for the box, you have made your money back in 2 of the products. So that is absolutely amazing. And I'm so excited to see Pharmacy in here. So if you love skincare, this is going to be the beauty bundle box that you're gonna need. The next one is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Now this is, it says the Best of Beauty Allure 2017 award. And it does say this one has a retail value of $22. It's our best-selling award-winning makeup remover and face cleanser, and one that instantly melts away all of your makeup, and it's gentle. And I will agree with that. I actually had received one a while back in another subscription, and I just used it up. So not this next empty is coming up because I pre-filmed, but the one after that, y'all will see it. It was a larger size than this one. It does have a little spatula in here as well, and it does work really well. It did not irritate my eyes from what I can recall, but yeah, this is really nice and I'll definitely be using it. The next item in here is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. Y'all, this has a retail value of $38. Again, a full-size product. It's an oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers a lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. And isn't there packaging? I just had to open it so I could show you all. Like so aesthetically pleasing to have that little jar sitting on your vanity. So love, love, love this. It's so fun. Now keep in mind, every time it's bi-monthly, and you're going, sometimes it's makeup, sometimes it's hair, sometimes it's skincare. You just never know. Last but not least, we do have our Cheer Up, and this is for the under eyes, the brightening vitamin C eye mask, which I do have open, and I can attest I love this product. It is so soothing, so nice and hydrating. Retail value $45. Super hydrating vitamin C rich eye mask that brightens and reduces the appearance of fine lines, dark circles, delivers instant radiance to the eye area. So, and you are getting the same size in here. So this box, all for you for $34. Like, that's absolutely insane to me, that $34 and you can get all of this. Like, it's absolutely insane to me. And the amount of money that you're saving, like, you're getting a whole skincare regimen right here for $34. So join today to receive the Pharmacy Beauty Bundle. It looks like it is still available. Also, the Ice Cream Beauty box is looking like it is still available. I will tell you when it comes to both of these boxes, if you do sign up for like 6 months or 1 year, you do save money. And again, I do have a coupon code down below for y'all if you are interested in signing up for both or either one of these boxes. I definitely feel like you are definitely getting your money's worth for sure. A whole skincare treatment regimen, what have you, and a whole bunch of makeup to play around with. Let me know y'all's thoughts down below. If you enjoyed this video, please help your girl out and give me a big thumbs up. Feel free to share my videos over on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you want. Anyways, don't forget to check me out over on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HOTMESSMOMMA04. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.